MAGIRUS is the world-leading manufacturer of firefighting appliances. We produce fire trucks, tank pumpers and turntable ladders. MAGIRUS was founded in 1864 by a firefighter named Konrad Dietrich MAGIRUS. We have as well many volunteer firefighters working even inside the development department of our company, which make the products more reliable and more safe, and that's what drives us every day. We are using 3D printing since 2015, and as you can imagine, the size of our vehicles, the parts were getting bigger, and after final evaluation we decided to purchase the BigRep ONE. Firefighting vehicles are the ideal product of 3D printing. Due to low amount of vehicles, we produce a high customization and individualization, and even the upcoming digitalization requires quick and fast solutions.
And over the last 6 years we have had additional needs and demands from firefighters, which we incorporated in the design in the last years. The need was from the firefighting side that they have a good view outside of the truck before getting out. We did want to have a big size window in the door, and for that reason we needed an intermediate part which connects the outer shell of the door with the inner side, but is a structural element included in the door design. So it has to take over also the forces of the cab. That means all the vibration, all the torsion that is coming into the cab and the door has to be taken over by the 3D printed part as well. Up to now it has a perfect result.
The development process is changing. We need sometimes solutions within a week, and the printer gives us now the possibility of having a short-term part that we can adopt to modern technology.
Starting from prototyping, now having the first part which is produced in a small series, I could really imagine that for special cases we are moving completely to 3D printing, because the BigRep printer is really suitable for that.